This is the Blink Outdoor, a high-end outdoor security camera for your home. It offers excellent recording capabilities, a solid build quality, and a long list of features for a reasonable price. So this is a no-brainer if you want an affordable security camera, right? Well, not necessarily. The camera has compact all-black frame with rounded corners, and it features a robust IP65 weather resistance rating that can withstand heavy rainfalls. The base is made from plastic, and it feels sturdy enough to maintain the desired camera angle, but it tends to creep when you moved around. While I was disappointed that it requires a hub to operate, the sync module is relatively unobtrusive and contains a reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio and offers an impressive wireless signal range. I also like that it comes with a USB port so you can connect external devices to store footage locally. You should also know that it runs on 2 AA batteries that can last up to 2 years per charge, which is much longer than any other competitors at this price range. Unfortunately, you have to purchase a subscription for cloud-based storage, but the plans are reasonably priced. The base plan is only cost $3 a month or $30 a year, and it provides 60 days of rolling storage for a single camera. It also uses Blink's photo capture feature, which captures still images every hour and assembles them into brief clips to show what happened prior to motion triggered events. You can also opt for the more comprehensive Plus plan for $10 a month or $100 a year, and it offers storage for multi-camera setups. If you're looking for an alternative with lower monthly storage fees, the Blink XT2 offers free cloud storage no matter the date of purchase, but it lacks a USB port for local storage. The setup and installation process is intuitive and doesn't take much time. To set it up, you need to download the Blink Home Monitor companion app, create or sign into your account, follow the on-screen prompts, and enter your Wi-Fi credentials to connect the sync module hub and name your system. You can also scan the QR codes on the module and camera for quick and easy pairing. I believe the video quality of the Blink Outdoor is a standout feature considering the price. Unlike the XT2, it uses a flat recessed lens to reduce lens flare in direct sunlight. Unfortunately, it has some slight barrel distortion, but it's not very noticeable and doesn't take away from the quality. It captures full color 1080p footage at a smooth 30 frames per second to deliver a sharp, crisp daytime image with plenty of detail. The 110-degree field of vision is solid, but other options offer superior viewing angles. I like that it automatically switches to infrared vision in low light, which produces a monochrome picture with decent clarity, but objects over 10 feet away lose definition. It also has a built-in speaker for two-way audio, and the microphone can reliably register noises. The motion tracking feature offers solid utility and can reliably detect people and wildlife, and you get a prompt notification without frequent false alarms. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, give it a like. It really helps let our channel grow. And if you're looking for any updated pricing, check the links in the description. With the Blink Outdoor, you should also note that the companion app provides impressive customization abilities for a budget camera. It allows you to set motion privacy zones, camera sensitivity, enable two-way talk functionality, or adjust the length of footage, although it has somewhat limiting 60-second maximum. You can also view a live stream, and the settings screen allows you to monitor local storage or configure the video quality. The Neighbors app is a useful community tool that delivers useful safety alerts from neighbors or law enforcement. I also like that it's compatible with Alexa voice commands and easily integrated into Amazon ecosystems, so you can easily connect it to your Echo devices hassle-free, but it's incompatible with Google Assistant. If you're looking for an alternative with a wider range of voice assistant support, the Wisecam V3 supports Google Assistant, but has slightly inferior recording capabilities and a less user-friendly app. Overall, the Blink Outdoor is an impressive camera that comes with several useful features. With its detailed 1080p images, good low light recording performance, several customizable settings, and long wireless range, it's not difficult to see why it's received so much attention. Will the camera suit every user? Not quite. The Blink XT2 we mentioned earlier offers free cloud-based storage, and the Wisecam V3 comes with a wider range of voice assistant support. The Blink Outdoor has an intuitive app, an easy installation process, outstanding battery life, and the ability to store footage locally. I think it's an excellent option if you're looking for a quality outdoor security camera. But hey, that's just my opinion. Why don't you guys tell me your opinions in the comments? If you're looking for any updated pricing, check the links in the description. And if you enjoyed this video or learned anything, give it a like. And subscribe if you're new to the channel and like short informative tech videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.